Pretty sure this is the ladder for the car. Yeah, yeah. Let's get some. Seems to go on fairly easy. I don't know, is Dave gonna hold it down? See that little gap? Same here. I wonder if that, how am I to make that sticky go down? But the ladder goes on after this, and then with the hatch open, we'll put this and screw it together, and it'll be done. And in case this 3M tape is not sufficient, I do have alien tape, and that stuff is real good stuff. And there's a little foam to protect the paint job, I guess. And this is the aluminum frame. It's super light, type 3. One of the little squishies was off. Luckily I had some tape from license plate. Hold up thing. It would probably be advisable to send a couple extra of those cushions that kind of go between, because even this one's kind of crooked, so I'll probably adjust that. Once you tighten the nuts, it seems to be on there, but there's still a slight gap. But I don't think it's going anywhere. It's looking good so far. And once my brackets come in, I get to put this on it along with the 2-liter rotor packs. Let's see, something like that. And some brackets for, and they will swing out, of course. And then some brackets for the camera and the Wii Boost. And getting close to finishing it up. With the bike on the car, it seems like I still have plenty of room for the gas can. So can't wait for the bracket to come in.